Dear students of class 12th, having computer science subject, since we are discussing database management system, DBMS, we are dealing with files, and we have discussed these languages, database languages. One is data definition language, DDL, and the second was data manipulation language, which we have discussed in the previous lecture. Now today let us discuss data control language. So data control language, uh, data control language, data control language. The commands of this language are used. The commands of this language are used to control the data, or to give access or the authorization to different users to do the different jobs. Suppose you are the boss of the company, you can give a special privilege to the manager, and you can give and you can give other access authority or other permissions to other users, a limited permission, a limited authority to use the database. So this type of this commands which we are using to give special permission to different users, different permissions to different users, different views to different users. So these types of these commands belong to data control language or DCL. Now let us discuss the SQL structure or structure query language. So the basic data types of structure query language or SQL are character and one is character, another is numeric, what is binary. Character, as you know, character set. Character means alphabets. When we have to suppose store a name of the person in a file, to we are using alphabets to write his name, so we have to declare the name field as of type of character. When we will store some this like amount, so we have to declare that very field as numeric. When we have to store an information in a field like true false or 1 0, we will declare that very field as binary. And we can store binary means having only two values, two digits. One is 0. It is not like numeric 0 and 1. It is a decimal 0 and 1. It is binary 0 and 1, means true or false. Suppose there is a field uh, in this in our file, in our table, whether the this particular employee is married or unmarried. If we can say, if it is married, then we can say 1, true, or if it is unmarried, then we can write 0. So we can declare that very field as binary field. So let us now come to directly to the point, to the practical side. Let us create a table. So what we have to write, an SQL command create. तो टेबल का नाम हम कुछ रखेंगे, सपोज स्टूडेंट, देन आवर दिस ब्रैकेट नेम, एक फील्ड हम उस टेबल में रखेंगे नेम, और दिस इज ऑफ कैरेक्टर टाइप. तो लेट अस have the length of this field as 50 characters. Then residence, again this is a character type, that it again it can store 50 alphabets. Then let us store another field, that is date of birth, birth date, birth date. So this is update type. So data store some another field, that is salary. Salary छोड़ो या ये residence name, let it be parentage. This again of character type, 20 characters. Let us have this. So then, so what we have done, we have created a schema of this table, structure of the table, structure of the file. The field, one field will be name, another will be residence, a third will be birth date, and the last one will be parentage. So we created a file. There are 4 columns in our file now. So we call these columns as fields, and we have the constraints, and we have to store in name field. We cannot store the data or numeric type data. We have to store alphabetic data in this name field, because we have declared the name above as character. So here we have to again write a residence with the alphabets. Here we cannot write alphabets. We are bound to write date here. It will not accept whether you will write here something like in alphabets. It will not accept. And here it will accept the character type data. So we have created a table. The schema of this table is, it is having 4 fields or attributes, we can say. Then we can store suppose asif by another command, asif drogmulla 1181 parentage latif. So through this way we can store by another command, insert command. This command only helped us to create this up to this level. So we have created 4 fields, and we have created the type of these fields, what type of these fields are. So I hope you are now able to create a table. You are now able to understand the basic types of data, that is character, numeric, and binary. So in the next lecture we will discuss another command. Thank you.